So what I am going to be talking about today is Apple Cider Vinegar, and the brand is Bragg, and it's raw and it's unfiltered, and the best part about it, it is organic. So even better. Honestly, I really want to start shifting everything that I use with natural and ingredients and things that's made out of its natural state. And what I mean by that is like nothing mixed with chemicals that are harsh or chemicals that could harm my body or harm me in any type of way. I'm not even going to claim that. It's just that I really want to start shifting everything to a better lifestyle, if that makes sense. Just not foods, but with everything. Magazines from this brand that you can use for recipes and some health benefits, just to get some information, about what you can actually use this for. But research, that's the important thing. I will keep repeating it with the products that you use, whether it's healthy or whatnot. Do your research. If you're uncertain, do your research. If you don't know what is in the product that you are using or what you are eating, research it. Sometimes your intuition will even let you know, okay, this isn't okay. What is that? What is this? It's just all about, really thinking, and it's allowing it to flow. So that's some real stuff. Nothing mixed in that I do not know. One of the best things that you can do as far as eating and as far as what you are using. As you can see, I have used this for a cleaning product. This already came with, with vinegar, but I mean, hey, I got apple cider vinegar, and I know that this is a natural way of cleaning appliances, cleaning things in my kitchen, bathroom, things around my house. Cleaning with apple cider vinegar is safe, so I'll just go ahead and put that out there. Well, it does kill bacteria on a cellular level, okay? And if you want to get even more detailed, there are some organic, better things that you can clean your home with. So this isn't the only thing, but this is a start, for me. You don't want to use this on all surfaces because it could give it like a dual effect. Anyway, what I've done was I just did a 50-50 of the apple cider vinegar and water, and you can see it's not as potent or dark as that, okay? So, and this is a big bottle anyway. You can clean it for example, like if you're cleaning the kitchen, you can use it to like clean and deodorize in the inside of your refrigerator or your microwave. Cutting boards, it cleans and it sanitizes them. You can also cleanse it for like if you want to prevent mineral buildup on your glassware. So ain't that pretty cool? And it's better for you. It helps reduce odors and eliminate mold and mildew on any surface. It can be used on painted surfaces like walls and cabinets to clean, remove stains, and eliminate odors. So that's a good way to take. Also, you can use it for like windows and laundry. I've seen, and to get that stain out. Another thing benefit that you use it from is you actually use it for your hair. I have seen apple cider vinegar in like organic shampoos, and what it really does is that it like removes all that buildup. So let's say that you want to use a cleanser. Okay, let me break it down. Shampoo, yes, it does cleanse your hair, but there are shampoos where it like really cleanse your hair. Strips everything out your hair. It will leave your hair like, soft, and you will comb it out, but I recommend that you really don't want to do this like so often. Your hair does need your natural oils. Let's say if you was getting your hair straightened, or if you want just all that product removed and you feel like your hair is still gooky from a shampoo that you use, okay, boom, you can use that. And it will get you like shiny and lustrous locks. I've seen reviews on where people use this and they said their hair looked healthy, smooth, and vibrant and all that good stuff. Other benefits from this is that it's rich in enzymes and potassium. Okay, supports a healthy immune system, help controls weight. I've seen people do that. I think it was with 2 tablespoons of this apple cider vinegar because it is, strong, and the rest just water. And just with that, you can still taste the apple cider vinegar. Promotes digestion and pH balance, helps soothe dry throats, helps remove body sludge toxins, helps maintain healthy skin, helps promote youthful, healthy bodies, soothes irritated skin, relieves muscle pain from exercise. So yeah, it's a lot of benefits from apple cider vinegar, but like I said before, you do have to do research on what you're buying as far as brand and the organic and then on non-organic and everything that's labeled on it. Like I said before, okay, you're going into the healthier state, but you got to do some further research. You know what I'm saying? Just because you buy something that's better doesn't necessarily mean like everything in that is good for you.